All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. We're going to be looking at AI Whisperer that just launched today on February 18th, and it's a Saturday morning. So this has everything to do with using artificial intelligence to basically make you more productive with product creation, with if you can use freelancing with this and deliver to your clients very quickly, to write sales pages, to give you videos, video sales letter scripts quickly, and create products fast. And I can tell you right now, right off the bat, that this stuff does work. I've been using AI for about 2 years now. And as ChatGPT has really taken off, it's taken AI to a whole nother level with intelligence and what you're actually able to get done with it. And even recently, I asked ChatGPT to write me some Python code for a unique software that I'm now having developed. And it actually wrote all the code, and the developer actually went through it, and it's probably about 80 to 90% there. So it pretty much did 80 to 90% of the coding work that would save weeks of time for a coder to actually do it themselves. And now all they have to do is just go and kind of proofread and edit. And then they can work solely on the design of the software, the user interface, if you will. So it really can save a ton of time. This stuff really does work. I've launched products recently as well, and I used artificial intelligence, which you're going to get in this software here and this training. I used it to do a lot of the sales page copy, all kinds of good stuff. So this is a product worth getting, and I'm going to show you the software. You can go and read these sales pages. It's actually a really short sales page, which I actually like that. I know a lot of people like really long sales pages, but it's a pretty short sales page, and I like that. So there's a ton of bonuses that they are giving away as well. There is a bunch of fast action bonuses that you are going to get right here as well if you pick up the product. But before we go in and show you the inside of the software, I have access right here. I'm going to show you my bonuses. You're probably going to be seeing who has the best bonuses. So we're going to be looking over here, and this is AI Whisperer. If you click on any of the green buttons in here and go purchase AI Whisperer through my link, then you will get all these bonuses. And I have, I think, 5 bonuses for you. I've got a faceless video creation for courses. And so all these are related to using AI, because you can use the AI to create the products for you, and then you're still going to have a little bit of elbow grease you're going to have to put into it, especially if you're going to like create a course or something like that. But you can have the artificial intelligence and the techniques that you're going to learn in AI Whisperer to create the content for you, and then you can, so like at least half the work is done, and then you can go and create videos and so forth, or outsource that as well. Then we're going to come over here, my secret YouTube ranking method, and this will allow you to get traffic to your products that you're going to be creating with AI Whisperer. You're going to need methods to get traffic, and this right here is a way that you can rank your videos almost every time right here. All my bonuses are unique from me. They're usually video training, where I teach you things that I do in my business, and I'm giving that away just as a courtesy of saying thanks for picking up a product from me. And these are bonuses that I only offer exclusively with deals like this. I don't sell these or release these to anybody else. They're just unique bonuses for myself. This is a brand new one I created like a week ago, and it's explaining to you exactly, it's a 25-minute training right here. I could sell this as a product itself, but it's what I would do if I had to start all over again. And this is from last year. I crossed over $130,000 in affiliate marketing. And so I know a thing or two about affiliate marketing, and this is exactly what I would do. So that's a really valuable video to watch. And then course niche research, you can take the techniques in here, go out, and then you can actually use AI Whisperer and all the prompts you're going to be getting and everything to go out and build you a product, build you a course very quickly. And then you can go and sell on Udemy, you can sell on Warrior Plus, you can sell on JVZoo, you can sell it to your own audience, all kinds of good stuff. The sky's the limit. And then YouTube video keyword research as well. So you can get all these bonuses if you pick up AI Whisperer with my link on this page. All right, so we'll go in and look at the product real quick. So it comes with a giant PDF book. I'm going to right click right here and just open in a new tab. And we have the book is now open. I'm not going to show too much of it. Obviously, don't want to give away the product or anything like that. But I think it's 40 something pages, 45 pages long of information that you're going to be getting about how to make money with artificial intelligence. Right here, you're going to see all kinds of stuff. I'll let you look at the chapters right here and so forth. So this is definitely a huge book, and you will be learning a lot of what to do in here, all kinds of good stuff. You can make money on Upwork, YouTube content creating, just like I said, using AI to take your YouTube business to the next level. You've got to embrace AI, and that's where we're at right now. And I have been embracing it, and it is paying off for sure. You're going to get all kinds of different prompts and so forth. So you get the book, or what he's calling the Black Book of AI. So you get that right off the bat. And then I think there's another software right here, Remix and Create Profitable Websites, Products and Brands. And I think you're getting this right now. He explains that up here. I think you get this as a plugin and a bonus just for signing up, which is one of his previous products. And now you're getting it for free right here, I believe. So access the software and prompts. So we'll go and look at the software, and then the prompt pack right there. And then it continues. You also have all these training videos, right? So you have a training video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, at least 9 training videos, a full 40-something page book. A software comes with this, and a prompt pack. And he's going to be releasing more prompt packs, I believe, every week for a while. So that's really cool. Let's go look at that prompt pack real quick. And you can see different things in here, and we'll just go and look at one of them. So I'm going to open up the product creation, and you're going to get all these different prompts right here to help you create content very quickly and create a product. And that's just one prompt pack launch. So it's a launch. I don't know. I think this is pretty much basically launching a product. And then we can go look at the software now. So this is what the software looks like. It's really simple. You go into settings over here, and you'll put in your API key right here, and then you have these prompt packs, right? So you can go and grab the prompt pack that I just told you, and you can interchange all these prompts out. Or if you have different prompts that you use regularly in your business, or if you just have like a product launch pack, and you can create all this yourself as well. This is editable. See, you can edit all this. And then you just push save when you're done, right? And it saves the query. And then you just put your API key in here. He has a video, shows you how to do that. And you're using OpenAI GPT-3, so the latest technology. And then you'll go over to the playground, and then you'll put in an introduction right here. He tells you how to do all that. And then you push query the AI, and then it will automatically go bring all that over. Let's see, I'm going to save that. Queries saved. It should go over to the other side over there, and it will prompt over here. And then all you do is push the query the AI, and then it's going to spit out right over here for you. And then you can copy each clip at a time, or you can come down here and copy all of them and put them into a document and so forth, right? So it'll help you create products quickly, help you create mass emails. You could create a bunch of different email campaigns and so forth right off the bat. So that's really cool. And then now let's go look at, so this is the front end offer, and it is for, I believe, 15 or 16 bucks. And then we'll go look at the upsells. So the OTO1 is an unlimited AI graphics for any niche product or website. So this is that pack right over there. And then we can go and look at the pricing. You have to kind of go and look at the pricing and open it up. So that one's $25. And then you have you can get 500% more AI for 5 times more AI profits instantly. Not really sure what this is, but it's going to be more training, I believe. So I'm going to open this up in a new tab just so you guys can see the pricing and everything that's going on. So 47 bucks right there. This one was the most interesting to me on the OTOs, because I do a lot of video. And this one, he found a way to actually get slides created for you, sales page slides and everything. You could create courses with this and so forth. And this one, I believe he's selling for like $97. But this one is very interesting. Having artificial intelligence actually create videos for you, which is really cool. And then basically that's the funnel. So it's not a huge funnel, about 3 OTOs, I believe. And you're getting a lot. You're getting a software, and you're getting a full blown training PDF right here. And then you're also getting prompt packs, and then you're also getting another software that he's thrown in right there. So pretty cool kit right here for about 15, 16 bucks. And you can get all my bonuses right here. And they're also offering a bunch of bonuses as well. But you can get these bonuses right here just for signing up with my link. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I wanted to kind of make this a little bit more brief of a review, show you what you're going to be getting. I think that I can just tell you right now with my experience, artificial intelligence is here to stay. You're going to need to jump into AI and start learning how to utilize it to your advantage to start making money online with it. And right now I've got just give you an example. I've got a full-time, instead of hiring a blog writer, like we traditionally do, I've hired a full-time virtual assistant that I've trained on how to use artificial intelligence to write quality content and write better content than most humans can write. And they're actually banging out content like crazy on a daily basis. And I'm building websites using artificial intelligence. And I basically hired an operator because I do a lot of other things in my business and I can't do that all day. Those are the kind of things that you can do, which are super, super cool with AI. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll see you in the next one.